Guys, in this video we are going to see how to convert a number from octal to decimal. Okay, we are going to convert from octal to decimal. Octal is basically the base 8. Let's look at some numbers. Let's say we have 211 octal and we are going to convert this one into decimal. To convert octal to decimal, we always go from right to left. So we have to go this side, and this one, the first number, we multiply that one with 8 power 0, and the second number we multiply that one with 8 power 1, and then the third number we multiply that one with 8 power 2. So like no matter how much number you have, the power will increase each time. Okay, since we have three numbers, we have until 0 1 2. Now let's look at this one. 64, 8 square is 64 times 2, that's going to give us 128, and this is going to give us 8, and this is just 1. 128 plus 8, that's going to be 136, plus 1, 137. So this is going to be the decimal number. So this is going to be base 10. Okay, so this is 211 8, base 8 is equal to 137 base 10, and that's how we convert octal to decimal. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 70, and to convert this is base 8 octal. To convert this one into decimal, again same step. 0 times 8 power 0 plus 7 times 8 power 1, and 8 power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 0, that's going to be 0. 8 times 7, that's going to give us 56. So this is going to be the decimal number, and that's how we convert octal to decimal. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.